Ronnie Lenz, director of the China-Brazil Center for Research and Business, has emphasized the importance of cooperation, saying the isolationist posture is doomed to failure. He made the remarks when talking about the BRICS expansion. At the just concluded BRICS summit, 6 countries, namely Argentina, Egypt, Ethiopia, Iran, Saudi Arabia, and the United Arab Emirates, were officially invited to join the BRICS.
The intention to join the bloc is to carry out concrete actions to help create a better internal condition for the countries. The world will only have a bright future through peace and social, cultural, economic, and environmental improvement. All countries' global contests require deep reflections on the face significant challenges and take advantage of opportunity to benefit their population. There is no possibility for success for those countries that decided to isolate themselves. It was no surprise to me that other countries are interested in enjoying the BRICS. The isolation posture of the countries is doomed to the failure